Okay, so Java collection framework, it provides a lot of APIs and interfaces classes which are helpful to store the objects into the collection. Okay, so we have a lot of APIs available in Java. So on top we have collection, then we have map, we have collections, arrays, and what are the basic operations we perform on any collection is we store the bunch of values, we iterate them, we will find the values, we will check the values if it is available in the if it is available in the collection, and if required we will do the iteration of those values, we will iterate those values, and if needed we will do the sorting of those values available in the collection. So these are the basic method operation that we generally perform in a collection. So if I show you the very high level of tree structure of collections available in Java. So on top we have an interface called collection. It has a lot of methods available which are helpful, which are helpful to perform a lot of operation in the collection. Okay, so on top we have collection interface that is extended by other interfaces. So there is a set interface, list interface, queue interface. Set interface, that is the interface which doesn't allow which follows the set data structure. So set data structure doesn't allow duplicate things. Okay, it only provides the unique collection. Interface list is, say, it provides a capability of storing the objects in the ordered way. So list follows in backend, it follows the arrays data structure. Okay, so whatever we are storing into the list, that will be ordered. Okay, so in queue is the another interface that is again a data structure where you are storing the objects. Okay, the condition of that queue is that is first in first out. Okay, so the element which is inserted first, that element will be available for the accessing also. Okay, so that is first in first out, that is FIFO. Okay, so set interface again is implemented by a few classes and extended by a few interface. So it is extended by class, it is extended by class hash set. Okay, and this is extended by class sorted set and implemented by class hash set. So sorted set is interface. Okay, and that sorted set is again extended by navigable set where you can do the navigation, and that is implemented by tree set. On your left side, hash set is the class, okay, which is extended by linked hash set. Okay, and when we come to a list interface, it is implemented by array list, vector, and linked list. Okay, so interface list is implemented by array list, vector, and linked list, and queue interface is implemented by priority queue. Okay, and it is also implemented by linked list. So if you say linked list, it follows list as well as queue. Okay, so here in below, if you see, it has two more collections, arrays and collections. Okay, so object provides arrays. Okay, object is the top of every class, as we know. So arrays is the one collection and collections is the another class. So collections is the class which provides a lot of utilities. So you can perform a lot of activities on the other collections by using collections class. Okay, so arrays are used when you are trying to perform some operation on the arrays. Okay, so that is again a kind of utility class. There is other than this collection interface, there is another collection there is another interface called map. Map is required to store the key value pair. Okay, and hash table, it is implemented by class hash table, hash map, and few interfaces that extend the map. So map is extended by other interfaces, that is sorted map, and sorted map is extended by navigable map, and navigable map is implemented by tree map. So you final classes you will have hash table, hash map, tree map, linked hash map in map interface. Okay, in case of list you will have array list, vector, linked list. Okay, in case of queue you have priority queue, linked list as well. In case of set you will have set, hash set, tree set, linked hash set, and other than that arrays and collections. So these are the tree structure which will give you enough understanding about what are the classes generally we use to store the bunch of objects into the collections. Okay, so in this my course I will explain about a lot of classes, mainly about array list, linked list, hash set, tree set, linked hash set, hash map, hash map, tree map, linked hash map, arrays and collections. Okay. So if you see here, collection is having mainly three things: set, list and queue. In the set we have sorted set, hash set, tree set, linked hash set. In case of list we have array list, linked list, vector, queue and priority queue. Okay, in case of map we will have hash table, hash map, linked hash map and tree map. Apart from that we'll have collections, which is kind of utility. Arrays also is kind of utilities provides. It has a lot of static methods and it will help you to perform some good methods on your collections. Okay, as I said, basic operations on any collections are storing the values, playing with the values, iterating them and possibly sorting them. Okay, so let's move to the first collection, that is I'm going to talk about list. So list is here as part of this collection interface. That is, a list is again an interface which is extending the collection interface, and many classes that implement list is array list, linked list, vector. Okay, so let's talk about list.